Annyeonghaseyo guys! I want to apologize in advance because this video is a little bit all over the place, so first start off by putting down your foundation in whatever shade that you need, and then go ahead and stick some concealer over it. Now, this is the first time that I've used the Hard Candy Translucent Setting Powder, and I can say that I absolutely adore it. It is amazing. Doing this step is just to ensure that we are flattening and mattening down the foundation and concealer or whatever that you've just done. Glue stick time. Matte down one of your eyebrows. And glue stick time. Jumping right over to liquid latex, I have pre-mapped out a torn piece of napkin for just over my eye. That's to ensure that I don't get any more liquid latex inside of it. And because you will see what's going to come next. Go ahead, place some liquid latex down around where you're going to put the napkin piece, and then seal the edges with more. The napkin is there, like I said, to make sure that you don't get any liquid latex in your eye, because this shit burns, and it's ammonia based, so even the vapors can make your eye water really bad. Don't worry about that part. Big shout out to Honey Color. They had sent me these free contacts because of a contest. I chose the Flora pink ones because I don't have any pink contacts for some reason. Huge shout out. I made these eyes out of air dry modeling clay and then went ahead and painted on little eyeballs to them. I'm sealing those over top of the napkin with some more latex. Prime your eye. Using the air palette, I'm using these two orangey shades at the very bottom. One is a matte color and then one of is shimmer color. And then going back using the silver because I changed my mind and I wanted to put that on the lid. Not to mention it looks gorgeous. Now going back in with a smaller brush, I am taking this magenta and sticking that on the outer crease. Just blending and making it darker, just deepening the color. And then going back, using this, what I consider the fairy color out of the palette, I'm sticking that on the inner crease as well as the brow bone. Now I'm using Milani eyebrow stuff. This is how I do my eyebrows on a daily basis. I will comb down the front part of the brow and then pretty much just sharpen the line going up to the arch, out to the tail. I will fill it in at the beginning because I do have a scar and I don't have a lot of hair at the start of my eyebrow. So that is it. Now moving over to liquid liner, I am lining my eye. Yep. Now I'm doing a really tiny cat wing with this, so you can do whatever eyeliner makes you happy or, you know, you're comfortable doing. But yeah, line your eye. Do the thing. Do all the things. Now moving over to this velvet lippy. I'm not sure what brand it is. It's one that I've had for a long time and it's time to get rid of it. So I am sticking this on my lips. Yeah, just pretty much doing regular lipstick. It's a really gorgeous shade. I will give it that. Like it's a crimson shade. It just works so well with this. So when you're done with the lips, what I did was I went back in with a small eyeshadow brush and I was fanning out just the outer portions of the bottom lip, and then an idea struck me. So I took a fluffier brush and started going at it. Now I didn't keep it on my left side, but I did keep it and extend it on the right side. I just want it to look crazed on that one half of the face. Now going back in with more liquid latex, and this time using cotton balls, I'm going and shredding it into tiny strips and then sticking it all along the outside, the circumference, if you will, of the eyeballs. This is just going to give it more of a fleshy tone, and I haven't worked with latex in so long, so I really was craving doing something with this, and I think this one just, this is a new favorite. Honestly, it's weird, and it's out there. Yeah, just stick the cotton ball down and then smother it with more latex. Time for lashes. I love lashes. I cannot say that enough in any video. I love lashes. So this time I'm actually tripling them. I'm going and sticking these really, really big, voluptuous, pretty long lashes on first. And then I decided that wasn't enough, so I went back with an already doubled pair of lashes and stuck them on top of that, because I wanted them to be voluptuous. Yep. Triple layered lashes. Can we do the 100 layers of lashes challenge yet? Now, the other day, when I was going to put on some lashes, I was trying to take off some glue, and I ripped them. The best thought was just to turn them into bottom lashes, and that's what I did. And moving on to the famous technique of lipstick for bruises and such. They blend out so well, like, it's just so perfect. Now, I've been doing this since the start of my channel, and it was time to bring back an old technique. So I'm starting off with this Barbie pink shade, just for slight irritation along the skin, and then I'm going in with a Q-tip with the darker reddish burgundy shade, just to deepen some of the wounds. As you may notice, I have a little bit of black in between the little eyeballs, and I did take some liquid eyeliner while I was doing my liner and, you know, just kind of crammed it in the little crevices just to deepen those wounds, because I'm not really going to be able to get in there like a little later on. You'll see. You'll just see. So I just went back with a little powder sponge and kind of just fanned out some of the pink so it would just look slightly irritated and not just like full blown like, oh, you have an infection irritation. And then here is the Q-tip with the darker red. It's not really a special thing. I just, you know, just mentioning. Just, yeah. Doing the things. So yeah, I'm only sticking this in a little bit of the areas, not everywhere, so just so it would kind of break up the colors. And moving on to the scab blood. If you've watched my channel for a long time, you would know that I absolutely love scabby blood. So I'm sticking that with a Q-tip in a lot of these crevices just to fill them in, and, you know, you can't have a KEYO video without some gore. So yeah, just go ahead, continue putting blood wherever you would like along this entire thing, and then we will move on. As well as the blood gel. Don't forget about that. It makes it look goopier and wet. The wettening of blood, if you will. When you're done with the blood, go back with a eyeliner pencil and line your bottom waterline on the visible eye. Please, do not try to attempt the one that's hidden. It won't work. Just don't. Now before this, you know, ends, I will say that I did not film the highlight and the contour portion, so here are some images for those. This is the palette that I used. I used the first column underneath the coldish brown, if you will, and then I used the Hard Candy Liquid Illuminator. So that is it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more weird videos. We do a lot of weird shit on this channel, so if that is up your alley, this is definitely the fam for you to join. With that being said, I will definitely see you guys in the next video. If you have a look that you would love to see recreated, definitely leave that in the comment section below. Until the next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.
Some of these haters gon' hate, cause I got a pretty face. And every time we walk up in the club, we the fly motherfuckers in the place. But we ain't giving 2 fucks for these dudes acting like bitches. So you do you and I'ma do me. And love it.